morning. Welcome back to another vlog, another video. Yeah, it's been quite a while, but I think it's not bad, you know. So today is just like a day in my life video, and I decided to put things together in order to post here on my channel. So today it might be just a short video. I don't know, I've been saying you know why. Pardon me for that. So after I think January this year, can you imagine my hair? I'm not braiding my hair for all those months. January, February, March, April, May, I'm not going to braid my hair. What? Can you believe me? As it stands now, I don't know what to do. I don't know how or what style to braid. It's so unfortunate that the kind of style I'm imagining here, you don't want to see it. I'm just imagining having that kind of braid. I'm going to post what I have in my hair for you all to see. So I hope you get along with me as I film. Look at my room. My room is messed up, but so let me fix this and
I've been running, can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do. Oh, you got me chasing waterfall. Oh,
I think it's just one. I guess most of you have seen me in this outfit. Is it not time? I want this, so maybe I might wear this alongside a bag.
You walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask anything goes between us. Ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask anything goes between us. Ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. No secrets. No, 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 no secrets. No secrets. No, 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 no secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping all no secrets.
At this point, we wait for the soap to dry in the face, you know. Forget how I look. Wait for it to dry, and let's say 5 minutes time, everything is done, and then you wash it off, you know. Another, if you have that kind of sensitive skin, you don't have to keep it on for a very long time, otherwise you might get rashes in the end. So just wait for some few minutes and then wash it away. So let's move to the bathhouse with me. This is my face after having my shower. You know, this soap is very good. It gives you that instant glow look, you know. Cute.
me, baby. Don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it. But you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate is better. I will love you till forever. Baby, when you need someone to cover you, wherever. Now I won't come back. You know my answer. Now I won't come back. You know my answer. Now I won't come back. You know my answer. Now I won't come back. You know my answer. Now I won't come Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming.
So I didn't get here on time at all. I got here and someone was already braiding her hair, so I had to wait for someone to braid or wash my hair first before braiding. You know, that's the girl sitting over there, almost done though, but I still had to wait patiently. And she's done washing my hair. I'm in the dryer drying my hair, and she's finally done. So it's about time to get braids done. You know, this is what I want to braid. Let's wait and see whether they killed it. It's so unfortunate. I could have filmed the process. So here is me back at home around 10:08. Can you imagine? Very stressful, but I had no other choice than to. I was feeling hungry, so I was kind of slow. Pardon me for that. So how was it? How do you see me? Did they do well? Sorry. Kind of okay for you? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second.